Oh, Lordy. Good grumpy day to you. Well, not really grumpy, but I have a lot of Disney stuff. Grumpy's one of the guys. So anyway, I learned a lesson here. And it's a good lesson. It's an interesting lesson. My channels aren't monetized, so it really doesn't matter. But I was jumping over on LinkedIn, and I found one of my followers had embedded my video in their page, which is really cool, and they got lots of views and comments. But the thing I learned is YouTube doesn't recognize the embedding in other platforms. So lots of comments, lots of interest, but no, it doesn't reflect back to the YouTube statistics. So if I was monetized, I guess that would be a problem, wouldn't it? Anyway, what can I say? It's an interesting lesson learned. Like I said, for me, monetization isn't the thing. I just want people to subscribe to the channel. So, hey, right now, Gregory Boswell on YouTube. Gregory Boswell on YouTube. And subscribe. If you find this embedded somewhere, Gregory space Boswell, YouTube, subscribe. That would be really cool. I'd really appreciate it. But more interesting stuff coming. Spent the last couple days chatting with a startup. Interesting project, good potential, ground floor, stock and cash. So we'll see if there's a there. It looks very much like a good project and something fun to do. So I'll be looking forward to that. Like I said, our projects and opportunities are like buses. One comes by every 5 minutes. Do you just want to catch that one or not? This one looks pretty good. I still have my own personal projects I'm working on for my fun and thrills. I've got an Android project I'm doing, and I've got a Swing project. And if you don't know what Swing is a Java language UI library, and I've made my money off writing code. And Java was the language of choice. I actually got started in Java when it was 0.98. So it's at 11, or I'm sorry, it's at 14 now, but I got started a long time ago. Made my money off of it, put my kids through college on it, bought my house on it, bought my Porsche on it, bought several cars on it. Java's been good to me. The language has been good to me. Being a software programmer, an architect, someone who solves problems with software, that's a good way to go. And maybe I'm going to put up a video with some numbers on the side so people will see it, how to make $150,000 to $250,000 a year. I'll put that right there on the side so someone will see it, and maybe they'll be interested. But anyway, so software's been good to me. It's been an interesting week, and I've learned a few lessons. Now I've got to figure out, with the embedding of my videos in other platforms, and the fact that they don't seem to link back or reference to YouTube, how to get that YouTube to recognize it. Maybe it's a simple step, maybe not. Maybe one of you guys, lovely YouTubers who check my channel out, will say, hey Greg, that was stupid. You just go down here and you click this button, and now no one can cache or do something, and YouTube will recognize the videos, and they'll have to come back to YouTube. Anyway, if you have an idea, let me know. I'm going to go on to another video. This is a short one. I've learned a few lessons. Some interesting things have come up, mostly technical on this. So just thought I'd say, give you my thought, a lesson learned for me. And if you have an answer for my question on how to allow my videos to be embedded, but still at the same time have YouTube track them, let me know. Someone will let me know. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.